5 terror suspects can be extradited from the UK to America for trial.
The Home Secretary Theresa May has said the suspects will be handed over as quickly as possible. Well, these 5 men have 3 months to appeal the European Court of Human Rights' landmark decision to extradite them. One of those men, Babar Ahmad, has been in jail for almost 8 years.
The 36-year-old computer expert is accused of running a US-hosted website which encouraged terrorism, as well as receiving classified American naval plans.
Well, Babar Ahmad's father, Ashfaq Ahmad, and family lawyer Faras Balouch join us on the sofa. Thanks so much indeed for coming in and speaking to us. Ashfaq, let's ask you first how your son is feeling. I know you've spoken to him since the decision was made.
He's obviously worried, he's anxious, but at the same time he's positive because he has got the support of the support of the people here. 150,000 people who signed that e-petition. They are with us, and MPs supported us. There are lawyers we have got support from. So all in all, he's quite positive.
Where does that positive outlook come from? Because the Home Office, we understand, believe the chances of success on appeal are slim.
Because the thing is that there has been abuse of process. The Metropolitan Police, they collected some information, some evidence from his house when they read it, and they passed it on, all that information, to the United States rather than giving it to the Crown Prosecution Service. So this is wrong in the first place. So that is one thing that we want, that he should be tried in British court here, so that at least he will have a chance to prove his innocence there. So that is our main message, that he should be tried here in this country. And he has never been asked any questions, he has never been shown any evidence, so he should be tried here. And the Judge Walkman, a few years back, he also said that this is a troubling case, and because of the treaty between the two countries, he couldn't do much about it. And he said that Babar should be tried here in this country.
You believe he's innocent, but the allegations against him, the Americans argues, directly affected life in America, directly affected people in America. So why shouldn't they have the chance to see justice be done?
Again, these are all allegations, and serious allegations, I admit.
But you will have the chance to prove that when the case goes to trial in America, won't you?
No, I mean, he has got better chance and if he goes to trial in this country, he has got all the evidence. He can prove himself in the court of law here. Why should he go to America and try there? He should be tried in this country here.
For us, maybe you could expand on that and the worries of the family, the way this goes forward now.
Well, it's clear in his case that he should be tried in the UK. He's a UK national. The alleged offences are said to have been committed from a bedroom in Tooting. Why on earth is he being sent?
But the allegations are against people that live in America and life in America,
well,
aren't they? So that would be their argument.
Well, the indictment against him is actually entirely on web-based activities, and the link to the United States is simply that a remote server was based in Connecticut. Now, in cases which involve the internet, if you send an email, for example, you don't know how many remote servers it's going to bounce off before it reaches its recipient, who might be just down the road. So it's very important that we get right in cases like this, where someone ought to be tried. And, for example, in Ireland, it's the case that they look at where it's appropriate for someone to be tried. And if he were an Irish national, he wouldn't be extradited to the US, because it would be deemed more appropriate for him to be tried in the United Kingdom.
Ashfaq, it may be hard for you to sum up, but I'd like to know how the last 8 years have been for you.
Yes, it is a long, long time, and after all that, we have reached this far, and now they're saying that he has to go to America, and we'll fight to the end, and we are quite hopeful that we will win in the end, and Babar will not go there. And I would like to request the Prime Minister to look at this treaty. And it's not only Babar Ahmad, there are some other people involved too. So justice should be done. And as the gentleman said, that Babar was brought up here, British national, paid his taxes. I was a civil servant myself. We have paid our taxes. So why should he be sent there? And Babar feels he has been betrayed by his own government here.
Okay. Thank you very much.